business site. For this tutorial, we will select Business. When you're ready, click Next. There are a number of different layouts that have different look and feel for your website. Feel free to experiment with different layouts and different colors. Some layouts have old style and new style, which can offer you further customization options. Make sure you leave checked the option to apply the color scheme to all pages on your website. When you're ready, click Next. Next, the system will ask you for some information on your site, including your email address and the name of whatever company the site is for. Feel free to fill out as much of this information as you'd like. The more information you provide here, the more information that SiteStudio will have in other areas to assist you further later. In that text box below, you'll want to put in any keywords that would provide robot traffic insights as to what your site is about. When you've filled out the text boxes below, click Next. Now, we will create our first web page. I generally recommend selecting Welcome as your first page. You can select whatever title you'd like, and if you want an image to go along with it, you can upload images using the Select Image option. On page text, you can type in whatever text you would like to show up on the welcome page. When you're ready, click Next. And as you can see, the page is created. Your example text is there, and your initial welcome is there. If you click on Sitemap, this will show you a list of all of your sites and your pages. Currently, you only have one page, so let's add another. You can add whatever pages you'd like, but for the tutorial, we're going to add an About page. The About page has a number of different paragraphs that you can add text to, and for each of those paragraphs, you can add in an image and change what the heading is. When you're ready to proceed, click on Next. Now, we see that in the first paragraph, we have our example text, but there's a second About on the page. If you click on Edit in the top right, you'll see that our second heading has an About in it as well. If we delete that and scroll to the bottom and click on Next, we'll see that that second unnecessary About has disappeared. And if you click on Sitemap, you'll see that your two pages show up there. And if you click on Order Pages, you can select which page you'd like to display first when people go to your site. This will change what's called the index.html page. When you're ready, click Next. And as you'll see, About and Welcome have switched places up in the top left. Now the About page is going to be the first page that people will see when they go to your site. When you're satisfied with the site you've created, or you're simply done editing for now, click on the Publish option in the top left. Thank you for watching this tutorial.